Ever wonder how the world went from horse drawn carriages to skyscrapers and electric lights in just a few decades? Welcome to the Second Industrial Revolution, a period from roughly 1870 to 1920. This wasn't just an upgrade, it was a complete transformation of American society, economy, and daily life. Get ready to explore the forces that reshaped our nation and laid the groundwork for the modern world we know today. At the heart of this revolution was a material that built cities, railroads, and machines: steel. The game changer was the Bessemer process, a revolutionary method for mass producing steel cheaply and efficiently. Suddenly, steel wasn't a luxury, it was the backbone of progress, enabling unprecedented construction and innovation. Imagine bridges spanning vast rivers, towering buildings scraping the sky, and miles of railroad tracks connecting a continent. This era also gave rise to titans of industry, individuals who amassed incredible wealth and power. Andrew Carnegie, the king of steel, mastered the production and distribution of this vital material. John D. Rockefeller dominated the oil industry, transforming kerosene and later gasoline into essential commodities. His partner, Henry Flagler, then turned his vision to Florida, building railroads and resorts, essentially creating modern tourism in the state. These men weren't just rich, they were empire builders. These industrialists employed powerful business strategies to achieve their dominance. Vertical integration meant controlling every step of production, from raw materials to finished product. Carnegie, for example, owned iron mines, coal fields, railroads, and steel mills. This allowed him to cut costs and control quality like no one else. Then there was horizontal integration, which involved buying out or merging with competing companies in the same industry. Rockefeller famously used this to consolidate the oil refining business, creating a massive unified enterprise. Both strategies aimed to reduce competition and maximize profits, leading to unprecedented corporate power. The dominant economic system was capitalism, driven by private ownership and the pursuit of profit. However, the immense power of these industrialists often led to the formation of monopolies, where a single company controlled an entire industry. This stifled competition, allowed for price manipulation, and concentrated wealth in the hands of a few. These excesses sparked intense debate and criticism. Ideas like socialism emerged, advocating for greater government regulation or even public ownership of industries to ensure fairer distribution of wealth and resources. More radical still was communism, which called for a classless society where the means of production were owned in common. These ideologies challenged the very foundations of the capitalist system. The Second Industrial Revolution was a period of incredible innovation, economic growth, and technological advancement. It transformed America into an industrial powerhouse, but it also brought significant social and economic challenges. The rise of powerful industrialists, the debate over economic systems, and the struggle for fair labor practices all shaped the nation. This era laid the groundwork for many of the economic and social issues we still grapple with today.